Hey there, it's Renee from Let's Roll Store, and I'm about to check the pressure on my front tire, and I'm going to check the back one as well, but the front tire right now to ensure that it's at the proper PSI. So I have this electronic one that I'm going to be using. It says it's at 21.1. It's supposed to be at 36. So I'm going to be using this portable air compressor. And as you can see, it's also a portable jump starter. And this is what I'm going to use to put air into the tire. And as you can see, it says 36 PSI. That's what I'm going for to put into it. So I'm going to get it attached, and then we're going to turn it on. Now I'm going to check the tire again with our tire pressure gauge. Now that we got it filled up properly. Oh, 35.8.